Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchy. Hope you are well. Today I will show you my last purchase. I purchased this baseball law from for English seller. Yes, maybe I overpay a little bit. I pay I think 70 or 80 bucks zero. But anyway, I will show you the card when I pull it. All the cards are quite in bad condition or not in good condition. But anyway, quite happy to get this. Mike Schmidt, George Brett, Ken Griffey Jr., Ken Griffey Jr. again. That is Deion Sanders with the Yankee uniform. It's all about baseball, mainly about 70, few cards about 60, and very few cards about the 60, and a few cards of the 50. Steve Carlton, Johnny Bench, Cal Ripken Jr. Again, Cal Ripken. Okay. Oh, I like this card with the Senator logo. Don Zimmer. Okay, nice. Brooke Robinson. Hot Willem. Oh, there is no logo on the cap. Maybe the airbrush. Okay. Oh, he had a long career. Maybe it was with the White Sox cap. Tony Perez, Hall of Fame. Ted Williams, Hall of Fame. What this card is? Nolan Ryan saves the day. Great. Okay, move on. That is a Kellogg's card. Brooke Robinson. I also purchased from the same baler the Kellogg's of Jenkins, Ferguson Jenkins. That's a Kellogg's 80 with the Ranger uniform. Nice. That's a rookie card. Leroy Lee and Jerry Ross. Willie Stargell, Hall of Fame. Very happy with this card. Tops 1971. That is sweet. That is some tops 73. Reggie Jackson. Wally Finger. The cards are not really in good condition, but anyway. Bob Gibson. Nolan Ryan. Okay, the card in the middle is bent, but okay. Jim Palmer. Okay. Okay, now it must to be 74. Mike Smith. That is great. That is 73. Steve Carlton. Nolan Ryan. Willie Stargell in action. 73. Nice. I like a lot the looking of this card. 74. This, yes. Jim Palmer. Johnny Bench. Oh, the card is really not well centered. Bob Gibson, Hall of Fame. Alkaline, Hall of Fame. Oh, the cards are really in quite bad condition, but anyway. Dwight Evans and Chicago White Sox, Ron Santo. Okay, it's also an airbrushed cap. Maybe, okay, I don't know when he played. Okay, he stay in the town, in the town, but okay, he moved to the White Sox. I don't know if he come from the White Sox and he go to the Cubs, and he come from the Cubs and he go to the White Sox. But anyway, Tom Seaver, very nice. New York Mets. Oh, I love this card too. Very beauty in the background. Must to be a tops 75. Mike Smith. Armand Killebrew. Vida Blue. Quite a beautiful card. And Dave Winfield. I love also this card, even this card particularly is not in good shape. Brooke Robinson, not very well centered. Thurman Thomas, top 76. Must be my first Thurman Munson card. Tom Seaver, Gaylord Perry. That is a rookie pitcher. Must to be a top 76 or 77. I don't know. I know only Ron Guidry must to be the biggest player on this. Joe Morgan, Hall of Fame. Phil Necro, Hall of Fame. Nolan Ryan, Hall of Fame. Bruce Sutter. He must to be also an Hall of Fame. He's an Hall of Fame. Okay. That is card. Oh, I love this card. Nolan Ryan and Tom Seaver. That is great. Okay. Move on. Steve Carlton with the Phillies. Dave Winfield. Oh, I love these two cards. Love, love, love. The year is tops 77. Love. That's some rookie. The more famous must to be Jack Morris, Hall of Fame. Lou Brooks, love this card. Carlton Fix, that is great. Okay, move on. This card also, but it was not in the law. I pay a few bucks for this. Harmon Killebrew, Reggie Jackson, and Book Powell. Very nice. That is top 70. That is nice. I love this card. Gibson Earl Shutout. Okay, this card must to be 68. Not sure, I don't understand. Okay. I love the looking about the card of the 72. Bill Melton, Norm Cash, and Reggie Jackson. Home run American League leader. That is sweet. I love the looking of this card of this 72. Steve Carlton, Bert Beliven. Oh, so sweet. That is great. Okay, move on. This card must to be a tops, I don't know, 65 or 66. Pat Corrales and Cole Stench, I don't know the guy. I'm very happy to grab this. It's a Brooke Robinson, must to be a 61. Okay. Okay, you look on the card is not in good condition and very bad. Anyway, I love a lot this card. Okay, move on. This is a Ted Kazowski with the Phillies. Must to be a top 7, maybe a top 57. Okay. Okay. That must to be some. Oh, there is a Fergie Ferguson. Not too bad. Okay. On those cards must to be maybe some Bowman 55. Kyriazakos, Temple with the Cincinnati uniform. And my last two cards are some tops, must to be 58 or 59, I don't remember. Carl Eshkin, on this second card it's Bob and Rich. I love a lot this set on this color. Thank you for watching, all the best, happy collecting, bye bye.